What's going on? My name is Perry and I am back here in Outlook, our favorite program. And today I'm going to be showing you guys conditional formatting, but in regards to your calendar. In our last video, we talked about conditional formatting on emails, such as the one you can see here with Jane Blogs, and her email is nice and standing out, like I can tell it's there. So if you want to check out that video after this one, go ahead and click on the link in the description or over in the bottom corner somewhere. You'll find a little information thing. But for today's video, we are going to be doing the same, but when it comes to our calendar events. So you might find, like, you create a calendar entry. So if I put one in for tomorrow and we'll just call it test, for instance, and save it, it's a horrible color. Like, it's just like this blue color. Same as if I put something for like Tuesday. So that day has already passed. It's currently Wednesday. If I put it in here, it is exactly the same color as something that has passed. And it gives me the notification, of course. But how annoying is that? Visually, we are visual people. Like, in today's age, we need to see color. We need to see differences. We need to easily see at a glimpse if something is in a specific color to kind of tell us if it's been done or not. So in my calendar, what I like to do is I like to set conditional formatting to show me events in two specific colors, really. And I'm going to show you that right now. So let's go ahead and delete these. So we've got these completely off our screen, got a blank calendar. Now, you don't have to have a blank calendar to do this, but just so we can start from scratch. What we want to do is we're in Outlook 2016, 13, and I believe you might be able to do this in 2010. Go up to the View tab, and then once you've hit the View tab, click on View Settings, and then you've got the good old conditional formatting option here that you can play with. So the one rule that we're going to be creating, we're going to create two rules. The first one is called schedule or scheduled. So this is going to color our events that are scheduled within our calendar. So we want to be able to see these ones in a specific color, maybe as yellow, meaning that they're to be done. Now, once you've set the color and name of whatever you want to call it, you want to set the conditions. Now, this is the fun part. Because what we're going to be working on is an advanced option in here. We're going to create our own criteria to how this filter is applied and how this criteria is met. Click on the field section and then navigate to the all appointment fields. Now, the one that we're looking for is reminder, and we're going to click on reminder. And then what we're going to choose is a condition of equals, and then choose the value of yes. So essentially what this means is whenever you create a calendar entry on your calendar, by default, Outlook's going to apply, I believe it's like a 5-minute or a 15-minute reminder window. So if that reminder is equal to yes, so the reminder exists on that calendar entry, the filter is going, or the conditional formatting is going to make that calendar entry yellow. Sounds complex, but I'll show you what that means right now. We'll go okay to that. We'll go yes to that. So if we go back through and just double check, we have this reminder equals yes. And then what this is going to do is it's going to make the event yellow. Then we'll go okay. But let's make another one as well while we're here. And we're going to call this one done. So this is anything that has been completed, meaning that the reminder is no longer on the event. So what we can do is we want to maybe make it gray, for instance, like a dark steel color. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back into my filter, advanced, click on field, to appointment fields, and then click reminder again. And this is going to be reminder equals no. And we're going to go okay, yes to that, and okay again, and okay. Done. Alrighty, so let's create a calendar entry and have a look at what is going to happen here. So let's schedule one for tomorrow. So this is something in advance. So we're going to put in here, it's going to go test tomorrow, for instance, and then hit enter. So how cool is that? Our event that we've just created has added the yellow color, meaning it hasn't been met yet. So it's something that we're going to be doing in the future. So why that is happening is because if we double click on it, the reminder is still set. So that is set to yes, because it has a field in there that is equal to, it's not like none, which is pretty cool. So if I create a whole bunch of events, I can see at a glimpse things that are still to be done on my calendar. So if there was something in the past here on Tuesday saying test old, I still see it as yellow. And why is that? Why is that the old event is still as yellow? The reason being is that my reminder window is still open, meaning that this event has a reminder still attached to it. So for this to turn to gray, meaning it's been completed, all I need to do now is just click the dismiss button and it's gray. So everything in the future is going to be yellow or green or whatever color you want to choose it. And everything that you've dismissed as being done from your notification window will turn to gray. So it's a really nice way of making sure you don't miss things in your calendar, because when you go back and look at your calendar, you're going to see things that are yellow or gray or different kind of colors that kind of indicate their status to you. So there's a whole bunch of other ones that you could create as well, based on different criteria. So have a play with that and see how you go. If you have any questions or would like to see any more information about this kind of functionality, hit us up in the comments section. We're more than happy to look at making some other videos as well. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it around and give us a thumbs up. Thanks.